Hi there. This screencast is to show a parent how they can easily access their child's NMUSD report card. Step 1 is to log in as your child on a device or through the Chrome browser. If you're using a Chromebook issued by Newport Mesa, you just simply log into the Chromebook as your child. If you are on a home device or other device, open the Chrome browser and make sure you are logged in as your child in the Chrome browser. You will be sure of this if you see your child's initial or name or profile pic in the upper right-hand corner. Once you're logged in on the Chromebook or Chrome browser, you're going to go to Newport Mesa NMUSD Student Bookmarks and choose NMUSD Illuminate for Students. Here, you'll see a login screen. You do not need to fill in username or password. You simply click the red button, Sign in with Google. Since you are already logged into either the Chromebook or the browser, it should take you right here. Now, you may see a message or you may not see this message. It depends on your child's teacher. So in this case, I'm going to click Continue to Portal. Once here, I'm in the Illuminate portal for my child. I click over here on the left-hand side. I find report cards. I click that. And then right here, I have my child's report card, which I can download in English or in Spanish. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.